If Steam is giving you error 87, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through a quick fix that can often solve the problem in just a few minutes. This is a simple step-by-step method inside Steam itself, and it can help if the error is caused by a bad download region or a corrupted download cache. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes and tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Steam on your computer. Once Steam is open, look at the top left corner of the window and click Steam. From the drop-down menu, click Settings. This will open the main Steam settings panel where you can change a few important download options. Inside the settings window, find and click Downloads on the left side. The Download section controls how Steam handles updates, downloads, and network-related settings. One of the first things we want to check is the download region. This setting tells Steam which server area to use when downloading games or updates, and sometimes the wrong region can cause connection or download errors, including error 87. Click the download region drop-down and choose a different region. If you are already on your local region, try switching to a nearby one. If you are unsure which one to choose, just pick another major region that is reasonably close to where you are located. The goal here is to refresh the connection route and see if a different server location resolves the issue. After changing the download region, do not restart immediately if Steam asks you to wait. Instead, click Restart Later if that option appears. This lets us make one more important change before restarting is, staying on the same downloads page, scroll a little lower until you see Clear Download Cache. Click that option to remove Steam's temporary download files. Clearing the download cache is very important because if those files are damaged or stuck, Steam can run into all kinds of issues while trying to download, update, or connect properly. Once you click Clear Download Cache, Steam may prompt you to sign in again after restart. That is completely normal. Just confirm the action and allow Steam to finish clearing the cache. Now close out of the settings window if needed and restart Steam completely. Make sure Steam fully shuts down and opens again so the new download region and cleared cache can take effect. After Steam restarts, try the action that was causing error 87 again and check whether the problem is gone. In many cases, this simple combination of changing the download region and clearing the download cache is enough to fix Steam error 87. It refreshes the connection settings and removes temporary data that may be interfering with Steam's normal operation. If the issue still continues after this, you may want to try the same process one more time with a different download region or make sure Steam is fully updated before testing again. But for most users, this fix works quickly and safely without needing any advanced steps. If this tutorial helped you solve the problem, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment to let me know it worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.